So today let's fix notes on Instagram if you're missing. So Instagram basically launched a new features recently called Instagram Notes, where you can leave a sort of little messages, status updates, and some kind of text if you want. Now if you don't have this option in your inbox, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix that. So do kindly watch the video till the end. The first thing you need to do is to update the application to its latest version, because sometimes the reason behind the missing features is the update. So go to your Google Play Store, App Store, anything you have, search for Instagram there and update the application to its latest version so that you can access all the features in it. Once the application is updated, now launch it and refresh, and most probably your problem will fixed. And if you're facing the same problem still, the second thing you can do is to go back to your home page, and now from here click on the profile icon in the bottom right and go to the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and head to settings. Once you're in settings, now you have to go to account, and in account scroll down at the very bottom. Here you'll find switch to professional account. So I found that switching to professional account and back fixes some kind of bugs and features that you haven't necessarily received yet on the Instagram. So go ahead and switch your account type to the professional one. Now just click continue and select a niche. Doesn't matter because obviously we have to switch our account type back to the personal one. After that we have to switch back our account type. Now go to account once again, scroll down and click on switch account type and click on switch to personal account. And once it will done, most probably your problem will be fixed and you will find the notes section in your inbox. So this is basically how you can get rid of this problem. All for today's video, guys. I hope you have learned something new. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.